A ver. It's gonna be using today. Panther blah. Oh dang, that was quick, huh?
Dang it.
Alright, my uncle barely got in the water like 5 minutes, not even that. He already got a brownie. Nice. That was so quick. Alright, you guys saw, like you guys saw, I'm out here fishing with my uncle. We're using some of them, what should we call it? Panther martins. We're doing a little bit of brown trout fishing. DNR's here, just passed by. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty quick. He just literally just caught one, like not even first cast. First cast, verdad? Yeah, he caught one at first cast. So it's gonna be good. So let's get in the water and let's catch some brownies, man. Shit. I literally just hooked my GoPro. Oh man, lucky I didn't scratch my lens. Alright, we're good. Alright, I'm on guys this time for sure. Come on, I can't let this guy go. Alright, this guys, I can't let this guy go. Come on. Alright, I can't let this guy go. Come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, this guy's nice. Oh, my bad luck has finally ended. Yes. Oh man, that took me a minute. Let me get a good angle. Look at this beautiful brownie. That literally took me an hour. I lost 3 and this guy finally stayed on the hook. But look at him. These fish are so gorgeous. They have like red dots, brown dots. They're just pretty fish in general. He's a nice sized fish. Alright, let's let him go and then catch some more. That was a nice little fight. Finally, the curse is over. Oh, alrighty, let's catch some more then. Oh, let's go. Another one right here. Another cutie. Ah man, 2 in a row. That's what's up. Oh, I got him good. He was almost getting loose. Another one. Number 2 right here. Hope you guys saw that. I don't know how the angle looks, but beautiful fish. This one's dots are a lot pinker reddish. Pretty crazy. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm just casting upstream now. I feel like it's a lot better actually. Feels like it gives the fish more time to actually bite it. But yeah, again, I'm using a Panther Martin. Shout out to my homeboy Matt for showing me the way. It's a gold blade on there. But yeah, that's number 2. Let's let him go. Alright, he's gone. Alright, let's catch some more. Alright, so far we caught 2 fish. Well, I caught 2 fish. My uncle caught 1. We're gonna go hit up another spot. I don't know where though. Right here's really good, but they're not biting. It's like the, what should we call it? The first 2 casts are the best ones. After that, they don't bite. But we're gonna head out to another spot, see what we can find, see if we can catch some more. See you guys there. Vente pa' acá, chiquita. Fish on, baby. Oh, he caught me off guard. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Here's number 3. This guy literally caught me off guard. I was about to just reel it in and he took it in at the last second. It's crazy. Oh man. Number 3 right here. Pretty fish. That's what's up. Huh? Me and my uncle literally just doubled up. Same time. Here's his baby though. Double up. Double up, same time, son. Oh, probably like 30 seconds, 20 seconds in between, but look at these bad boys. All right, I'm gonna let this one go. ¿Te vas a tomar foto? Oh, yeah, all right. Sit. Oh, that one's gone. That's what I'm talking about. Double up. Sí. Y no miré ninguna culebra. No. Fish on, baby. Sit. Oh, oh, look at this bad boy. First cast in the little pocket. Pull out this girl right here. Oh yeah. Damn, the teeth on these things are gnarly. I'm gonna pull out my knife. I knew I was gonna catch him right there. I threw that shit in there and bam. This girl came out. Guy, I don't know what the hell it is. Oh, look at that. Tómale de lado. De lado, volteada. Para que se mire bien. Tela, ándale. Espérame. Look at this beautiful brownie I just caught. That thing's pretty big. All right, so we got to this little spot. I don't know if you guys saw me record it, but I hit that little pocket right there, and this guy like surely just came right out and smacked it. Caught me off guard too. Like, this fish will catch you off guard. It's retarded, but that's a solid fish. I want to say like pound, like, I don't know, it feels like pound, 2 pounds. I can't really tell. I don't have a weight, but that was fun. Look at that. That thing's pretty big. It's got to be at least like, I don't know, 20 inches. That was fun though. I'm gonna cut it off. Ah! Beautiful fish. Let's let her go though. All right, let's get out of here, girl. Chill. We'll revive her real quick before we let her go on her way. She's gone. Oh, that was such a nice brownie. That's probably the biggest one here so far, so heck yeah. Oh, see if we can catch a couple more before we head out. We got about half an hour more or so. Beautiful fish. Oh man, that was fun. Scenery here is beautiful. What is that? Look at all this graffiti. It's like the freaking bridge of death. It's creepy. What the heck is that? Look at this. It's like a weird looking rat. 666, give me $1? What the heck? That's pretty weird. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode. We got a lot of fish. I lost 2, I landed 4, my uncle landed 3, lost like 5 lures. Yeah, I lost 2 too. I lost 2 lures out of 3. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. That last one was clutch it. That last fish definitely clutched it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys are new, keep watching, you know, subscribe for future content so you guys don't miss out. But till next time, peace out.